Go ahead.
Melody that we are exercising our rights. And to the American corruption, no, now we want to make forces. Police are doing the election. But we know just when we do for Chama, I want to do Chama. Yafta bene chikwen ioria amaka ingore rifaro no yape tika kora pahando no ugaru ngabu kila we want to exercise our rights so we want to wa yeka ti wani ga me want to notify police you want to give our peaceful demonstration we are even that's what exactly happened one ya menu to kemowa we were expressing our dissatisfaction with the exploding corruption in Uganda, and we notified police last week that we are coming today. Now we started and they have arrested us when we were very peaceful. We have not even passed any promotion anywhere. So I don't know which law they are going to charge us on. You know the constitution guarantees us the right to demonstrate.
So what happened before you were arrested?
Because we were moving, we wanted to come and address the public. We wanted to address people exploding corruption. We wanted them to know what is really happening in Uganda. If they want to legalize corruption, let them legalize corruption, and then we know it is normal for them to do corruption in other places and even in lower places. You go to parliament, there's corruption. You go to government offices, there's corruption. You come to local councils, there's corruption. Every place there's corruption. You come to police, there's corruption. What do? We really want to express our dissatisfaction the way they are not handling corruption. The parliamentarians who should handle corruption, they are just dilly-dallying with it. IGG is patronizing of corruption in Uganda.
So, what do you make of this arrest as a Ugandan citizen?
Maybe I'm wondering why they're arresting me because I'm expressing my interest. I'm expressing my rights. We are wondering what they're going to charge us.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.